Hey everyone, welcome back to our Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're diving into a feature that's going to revolutionize the way you organize your projects: label color presets and swatches. Label color presets allow you to easily select, name, and share unique label colors for your projects. Whether you're working solo or with a team, staying organized just got a whole lot simpler. To access these new presets, simply head over to Settings, then Labels. From there, you can customize your label colors and defaults to suit your project's needs. Once you're happy with your settings, just hit Save Label Color Preset. And here's where it gets even better. Need to import someone else's preset? No problem. Just select Import Label Color Preset and you're good to go. Now, if you're curious where these presets are saved on your computer, it's easy to find. Simply click on the folder icon to navigate to the directory. But wait, there's more. In addition to the default, classic, and vibrant presets, we've introduced an editorial preset tailored specifically for TV and film editors. Say goodbye to hunting for the perfect color. These presets are named for assets frequently used by post-production teams. And there you have it, folks. Label color presets and swatches are here to streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips and tricks.